Hey, animators and creatives! Adobe Animate has improved with incredible workflow enhancements, making creating animations faster, smoother, and more fun than ever. If you haven't downloaded it yet, don't worry. I'll guide you through the process and show you how to get started with the free trial. The link is in the description, so let's dive in. First up, let's get Adobe Animate on your computer. Head over to Adobe's Creative Cloud website using the link in the description. Here's how to sign up and download it. If you already have an Adobe account, sign in with your email and password. If not, click Free Trial. To start the trial, you'll need to choose a plan. The individual plan offers a 7-day trial and is excellent for personal use. The business plan, on the other hand, lasts 14 days if you're working professionally and includes extra features like team collaboration. It's all about what suits you best. You will have to put your email address that you want your Adobe account to be connected with and then click Continue. Add payment details. Adobe won't charge you during the trial period. Enter your payment details to activate the trial and make a note to cancel before it ends if you don't want to continue. Once your account is set up, download the Creative Cloud app. This is your hub for managing Adobe software. Install it, log in, and you're ready to go. Open the Creative Cloud app, find Adobe Animate under the Apps tab, and click Install. Depending on your internet speed, the process should only take a few minutes. Now that Animate is installed, let's explore some of the awesome new features and workflow improvements that make this update so exciting. First, there's the enhanced layer management. Animate now lets you organize and control layers more efficiently. You can easily group, lock, and hide layers, making complex projects much more manageable. Next up is the improved Asset Warp tool. This tool allows you to add natural, realistic movements to your characters and objects by simply dragging points. It's intuitive and perfect for animators who want to bring their creations to life with minimal effort. Another great addition is quick export for social media. You can export your animations in optimized formats for platforms like Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube directly from Animate. It's a massive time saver for content creators. For those who work collaboratively, Creative Cloud Libraries integration makes it seamless to share assets across Adobe apps. You can sync your symbols, graphics, and animations with other Creative Cloud apps like Photoshop or Illustrator, keeping everything streamlined and connected. That's all for today. Adobe Animate is packed with features that make animating faster and more enjoyable than ever. If you haven't already, download it using the link in the description and start exploring these incredible enhancements for yourself. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Comtechpedia for more tips, tutorials, and creative insights. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay in the loop about the latest content.